Hello everybody, my name is Makael from Society of Beer, and this time we are unboxing something really special I received. Today I received a really big box. So I'm gonna show you. Oh, thank you. Oh, this is not the right box, bitch! Oh, yeah, this is the right box. As you can see, there's a YouTube logo on it, and I'm really excited what's inside. So let's just open it right here. It's especially packaged. Look at this. What's inside? Fuck. What's inside? Oh, there's the letter. So before we open this, let's read the letter. It's a little bit weird. Okay, it doesn't matter. Let's read it. Hello, Makael. We are happy that you've been not recording videos for over a month because they suck. We know that you will never surpass more than 100 subscribers milestone, so we decided to give you this gift. We hope you take this award as the loser that you are, and you'll stop recording videos for good. You're sincerely Mr. YouTube. P.S. We will block your YouTube account in a few days? Oh, fuck. I know that my videos were bad, but I did not know that they were so bad they want to block my account. Okay, so that's all that's in the box. No, there's the gift. I think maybe it's a fucker. Or maybe it's a rock or scissors or I don't know, something with which I can kill myself. Oh, it's a, yeah. It's a, it's a paper YouTube play button. And it's, I don't want to lose my account. So as you can see, here's the paper play button. It has a YouTube Play logo on here. It's the bottom. It's written on it or painted. Here's the YouTube logo. Here's our name, Society of Beer, and here's congratulations for surpassing 100 subscribers. I'm gonna put somewhere. Oh, I don't know, maybe here, because this is our new place to work. Yeah, it's gonna be nice here. So I hope you enjoyed this last video. Subscribe for more videos. Like it if you want to. And share this video to your friends so they can see how bad this video is. My name was Makael. Oh my fucking god, I really started crying. My name was Makael. Drink your beer and we'll see you next time.
This video was brought to you by Pedo Bears Organization for Orphan Kids with No Place to Fuck, or shortly, PPOKWNPTF.